In this video, I'm gonna make a brooch using a pin. Ta-da! And guess what? Foam clay. Oh, and I'm gonna make a sunflower. Yay! Yay, another video. Oh. And as you probably guessed it, considering how my latest videos are going, I'm going to be using my favorite material. Foam clay. Oh, look at this. Oh my God. I think everybody needs to have a go at this because, just so squidgy. Oh my God. It's just so cool to use. I absolutely love it. Although I'm still getting a grip on using it. And today I want to try and to make something that I can also paint. So I'm going to try and to combine the two things using the clay and then painting it. My idea is to make a brooch, and as one of my many obsessions is sunflowers, that's what we'll be making, but not like proper sunflower. I'm just gonna make it stylized, so like a bit of a graphic kind of thing. So let me show you. I made this drawing, and this is sort of what I'm gonna try to do. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do the leaf at the back, but definitely I'm gonna do like a sunflower like this, and I do want to paint it with the swirls and all the lines, and because I keep seeing something similar and I really like it. And I've been drawing some flowers like that for quite some times now, so I thought, ooh, what about if I replicate that with this? Look at this. And this is the perfect yellow. I really wanted this color. The yellow that came in the box of like the basic colors, so blue, red, white and black. Yeah, I said them all. It was a little bit too bright, so I toned it down with a little bit of this chocolate brown just to make it tertiary, as my husband would say, because it's been too hard college. But yeah, this would turn it down a little bit, and then I put some white just to turn it down a little bit more, and I've got this beautiful yellow. I absolutely love it. So that is what I will be using for the petals. For the middle bit, I'm going to be doing the usual color. Like, I'm going to use this brown, which they call chocolate brown, but it's not really, it's more caramel brown. And all I need to do to make it darker, I've been using it to make chocolate, the chocolate sauce for my trinkets and my ice cream, obviously all fake. I just add a little bit of black and a little bit of red and mix it up. And make sure you put more red than black, because otherwise you get like a yucky color. You can mix them to do any color combination, and just have a look. Just do a little bit, add a little bit at a time, and just to make sure that you get the color that you want. And I think I'm quite happy with this. What we'll be using to help me shape the clay is these acrylic blocks, the same ones for the stamps. So I'm going to be using them because otherwise you leave fingerprints everywhere, but these are going to help you to smooth the clay out. Then I've got a pin, ooh, and it's got like a little cap for the end bit, and you close it, ooh. And then I've got a clip as well, because I might try to do something matching for the hair. It's not ideal because it's one of those divider things for the hair, but I'll give it a go. And to help me keep the petals to size, so then I don't do a huge long one and a tiny one, I've drawn this circle. So it's 6 centimeters and 2 centimeters for the middle bit. So I'm going to be using this as a reference to create the sunflower. Then I obviously have some acrylic paint, a little bit of water and a tiny brush. And some glue to then glue my sunflower to the pin and the hairpin. I nearly forgot. Going to be using some shaping tools as well. I think that is it. So let me stop faffing about and let me crack on with it, because I'm really looking forward to see how this sunflower turns out. I want it quite big because it needs to be like seen. It's like big and bold. Let's see how I get on. Let's make the sunflowers. At this point, I had an idea and I thought I would try to paint the clay with the mica powder as well, as the mica powder is really fine and the clay is really sticky. And that's why you see the bottle appearing on the left-hand side. But my first attempt wasn't a good result because I think I was a little bit too heavy-handed with the brush. But I am going to try again, so keep watching so you can see the result of using the mica powder on the clay and see if you like it. In here, I started to push the petals towards the center just to reduce the gap in between the middle bit and the petals, and just to give it a little bit of the shape that I wanted. And then I started painting it when the clay was still wet. couple of days and my sunflower is ready. Look at this. Oh, what do you reckon? Do you like it? I think I'm pleased with that. Yeah, the paint could have been a little bit better, but you need to go. I think it's the green that is not, the pigment is not strong enough, so it's not heavy body, so it's a little bit diluted. Maybe next time I'm going to use a different paint. But I think the mica powder works. Yeah, I decided to add a little bit of mica powder as well, and I think it works. Ah, I like it. I like it. The mica powder was the last minute change, but it worked out. Ah, I like it. I like it a lot. And also, off camera, I made a little heart to cover the pin at the bottom. That's it. So I'm going to glue it like this. And also, I'm sorry, I made it while I was on the sofa chilling. So I made this off camera, but let me know if you want me to show you. It's really easy and simple. It's like rounds, and then I just made little blobs and attached it all together. And with the leaves, I've done the same thing. And then done the indentations. But let's glue it. I'm so excited. I'm just gonna wait. Let's glue this together. Let's find out. So I'm gonna do it as low as possible. And yeah, I think I'm gonna glue it like this. So let's put a blob of glue there. And I think that should be enough. So there we go. I want it there. And then this one, when I made it, I have got the same shape of the clip, so it should work, but it was the other way. Yeah, there we go. I can glue it like this. Let's see if it works. So let's put some glue here. And I've used some mica powder in the middle of the sunflowers as well. Oh, it works like a treat. Let's also glue this in place. There we go. I added a little bit of clay at the back, so hopefully that is going to stay in place a little bit better. Oh my God, they're ready. Oh my God, look at this. What do you reckon? Do you like it? And this is the complete look. Oh, what do you think? And let's try this, see how it works. What do you reckon? Not sure I'm doing it properly because obviously I can't see what I'm doing. But what do you reckon? Do you like it? What do you think? Oh my God, I'm really, really pleased with both of them. Oh, oh look at me. Oh my God, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I'm loving this clay. The more I use it, the more I love it. And I think everybody needs to try it. And I keep pushing one of my friends. I said, your mum needs to try this because it's so satisfying and so relaxing. It's just, oh my God, I love it so, so much. So don't be surprised if there's going to be more videos about the clay. Because I'm getting a little bit obsessed. But I hope. I absolutely love it. And I really hope you enjoyed this video. And if you have, why not give me the thumbs up? It really helps the channel to grow. And also, why not subscribe and hit the bell so you can receive notifications on when the next video is out. Because there's going to be more creative ideas. More and more and more. But thank you so much for watching. Take care for now. Bye bye.